last year I scored 256, which was below average. This time I got 297. My only source was yours videos. Last year I watched all the videos only because since I was working, I had less time both days.
Yeah.
So only those videos, I made a note out of those videos. I have notes. And this time, along with those notes, I read your detailed notes
Okay.
through the link that I purchased.
Yeah.
And wrote many case studies that are given in your notes and also examples that are given in notes. I think that value addition eventually helps. So I would suggest, I have been suggesting people for this means also. Like I have forwarded your link for notes to many number of students. While coming back from the vehicle, I still remember, I used to revise your notes that I make out for your notes, my own notes,
your own.
and revise them in my vehicle loudly. So my driver used to always look back. What
He must have
the-
also got some interest in anthropology.
the moment you realize like what to study, how to study, from where to study. So if you want this to get realized from an institution, you should go for a coaching. If you have a mentor or a elder brother or sister who is already in service, a family person who is in service, who is eager enough to guide you, then that's enough. That's it. Because ultimately you have to sit with your books and you have to make your notes and you have to study. No one will provide a shortcut to you, and this exam is not for those who opt for shortcuts. And so going to Delhi is a very subjective question, depending upon all these requirements are met. And one more thing I would like to suggest: before going to Delhi or before enrolling yourself in any institution, you should be well read with the basics. Like I have read NCRTs in my college, so this gives you edge once you go to Delhi, and also you will be more easily grasping the concepts. So I think that is one thing which can the moment of starting the answer writing is that you should have like enough knowledge to start the writing and not chase the perfection, because I think there won't be any moment you feel like now you know everything, now you will start answering. It won't happen ever. Once you qualified, also you feel like you don't have the sufficient knowledge. So I think if you have touched upon a particular section of a syllabus, you can start writing answers on those sections, taking out the previous questions. I think it's a marathon process. Once you start answer writing, the initial answer would be bad, then eventually it will improve. I think straight away you cannot jump to the best answer. You should start with the average and below average answer.